Daily use English sentence. Would you speak slowly? Would you speak slowly? Do come again. Do come again. Do you have Instagram? Do you have Instagram? Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Did I get you right? Did I get you right? Do you want something? Do you want something? Do you want to talk about it? Do you want to talk about it? Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Don't make fool out of me. Don't make fool out of me. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. Drive the car slowly. Drive the car slowly. Drop me home. Drop me home. Have faith in God. Have faith in God. He is not well. He is not well. He made him very angry. He made him very angry. How are you? How are you? How can I help you? How can I help you? How do you know? How do you know? How is it going? How is it going? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? How was the journey? How was the journey? I am feeling much better. I am feeling much better. I am feeling very depressed today. I am feeling very depressed today. I am freaking out. I am freaking out. I am getting sleepy. I am getting sleepy. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. I am sorry for being so late. I am sorry for being so late. I am sorry, I didn't get you. I am sorry, I didn't get you. I am very happy right now. I am very happy right now. I don't know. I don't know. I have a black car. I have a black car. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. I was in a bad mood all day. I was in a bad mood all day. I was out of town. I was out of town. I will be with you in a minute. I will be with you in a minute. I will text you. I will text you. I will try my best. I will try my best. I would like a cup of tea, please. I would like a cup of tea, please. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's been a difficult day. It's been a difficult day.